With your bitch on live, bitch, you gonna give me tired. Like, bitch, don't talk, I am everything you not. Yeah, I'm stunting like the fucking money, never gon' stop. And you know a nigga posted what I grew up on the block. Get the game on live, what the fuck you niggas got? Yeah, niggas so high, I don't need a fucking dot. Got a gang of bad bitches right with me, fuck you niggas stop. Got a new bitch in every new city, know I'm on top. Yeah, bustin' for a nigga, thick guys, TikTok hoes. Coming for a nigga, want fuck, that's right, ho. Yeah, about your money, then we niggas can't talk. I'm searching for a bitch, you super bad and do squats, huh? Funny how these niggas talk shit, but follow. I'ma take it because she bad as fuck, ho. In the clutch, she shaking that ass non-stop. So you know I gotta throw that cash non-stop. Oh, let me keep it real, niggas gotta chill. I'm from the steel city, so I gotta keep my still. Got a problem with me, nigga, tell me how you feel. Long time from these niggas, that'll get them killed. Bitch on live, bitch, you gonna give me tired. Like, bitch, don't talk, I am everything you not. Yeah, I'm stunting like the fucking money, never gon' stop. And you know a nigga posted what I grew up on the block. Get the game all out, what the fuck you niggas got? Yeah, niggas so high, I don't need a fucking dot. Got a gang of bad bitches right with me, fuck you niggas stop. Got a new bitch in every new city, know I'm on top.
Yeah, fist fight, look twice, I don't wanna think thrice. Call me for the record, double decker with the thick thighs. Bring it back, heart attack, Cadillac. Kuma run this bitch and I'm ready, better backtrack. Funny how these bitches talk shit, but follow. I'ma take it big cause she bad as fuck, ho. Watching my back, no slash, I'm hard low. Ready for the mission, hit the gas, no sorrow.